love all this pasta. There's so many different shapes.
I know. This one looks like a snake, and this one looks like a wheel.
They're all so fabulous. I'll put this eeny weeny greeny one here, and this twirly swirly one over here. Perfecto! Binoo, you're a spaghetti unicorn.
Your hat looks great, Binoo. I'll try mine on too. Oh.
Oh. Let's see if you're right. That's for most boys. Skip a turn. Hundley, it's your turn.
Use the mouse or the arrow keys on your keyboard to move George to the star. Watch for
Let's see how many there were. You estimated 6, about 7. Let's see how close your estimate was. Not quite. Quick catching. Let's see how many there were. You estimated your estimate was pretty good. Let's see how close your estimate was. Thanks for your help. Arrows will go again. Hundley, it's your turn. I count 7 how many balls do you think there are? Your estimate was a little off. About 6? About 8? Hooray! About 10? Hundley's here.